Whether it's a flat tyre caused by nails and screws, rocks and potholes, or an unexpected roadside emergency, knowing what to do can keep you safe and get you back on the road quickly. Here's a quick and simple step-by-step guide on how to change a tyre on your Mazda. But first, how do you know you have a flat tyre? Steering becomes unusually heavy or difficult. The vehicle starts to vibrate more than usual. You feel the car pulling to one side. Or you hear an unusual noise from one of the corners of the vehicle. If you've got a flat tyre, a dead battery, run out of fuel, or face a mechanical issue, Mazda Roadside Assistance has your back. With 24/7 support, AA patrols, yellow vans, and battery service units on call year-round, we're here to get you moving again, quickly and safely. Before you begin, here's something every Mazda owner should know. Every new Mazda comes standard with an unlimited kilometre service and warranty plan. And yes, that includes 24/7 roadside assistance for 5 years. Do you have a flat tyre? Dead battery? Are you out of fuel? Or do you have a mechanical issue on the road? Mazda's Stand By You roadside assistance is here, so you're never alone. If your plan has expired, the Mazda Care Service Plan extension gives you 5 more years of worry-free maintenance, no matter how far you go. Just call 0861 349 222 and help is on the way, day or night. As mentioned, if you're changing the tyre yourself, start by pulling over in the safest, most well-lit area. Turn on your hazard lights and place your warning triangle where oncoming traffic can see it clearly. Start by having all passengers get out of the vehicle and out of the way of traffic. Then remove any luggage from the boot and lift the floor cover to locate your jack, wheel spanner, jack lever, and spare tyre. It's important to ensure your vehicle is on a flat surface, the handbrake is engaged, and the car is in park for automatic models, or first gear for manual transmissions before lifting the car. This helps prevent the vehicle from rolling off the jack. It's also recommended to block the wheel diagonally opposite the flat tyre by placing something sturdy both in front of and behind that tyre. Before raising the car, loosen the wheel nuts slightly. This stops the wheel from spinning once it's off the ground. Next, place the jack on the ground. Turn the jack screw clockwise and adjust the jack head so that it is close to the jack up position. Then, align the jack squarely with a designated lifting point closest to the tyre being changed. Mazda vehicles typically have pinch welds that run along the rocker panels, where the vehicle's frame is reinforced. That is where you'll find the designated jack points. Continue raising the jack head gradually by rotating the screw with your hand until the jack head is inserted into the jack up position. Now, insert the jack lever and attach the wheel spanner to the tyre jack. Turn the handle clockwise to begin lifting the vehicle, just enough to raise the wheel off the ground. Raise the car only as much as needed to remove the damaged wheel. Lifting it too high can destabilize the vehicle, increasing the risk of an accident. Before removing the wheel nuts, double check that your Mazda is stable and won't shift or move. Then, using the wheel spanner, loosen the wheel nuts by turning them counterclockwise and remove them. Carefully remove the damaged wheel and place it flat under the vehicle as a backup safety measure in case the jack fails due to incorrect placement. Mount the spare tyre and hand tighten the wheel nuts first, with the beveled edge facing inward, ensuring they are evenly secured. Then, use the wheel spanner to slightly tighten them further, just beyond hand tight, before lowering the car. Turn the jack counterclockwise to lower the vehicle. Then use the wheel spanner to tighten the nuts firmly in a crisscross pattern for even pressure. Improperly or loosely tightened wheel nuts are dangerous and could cause the wheel to wobble or come off. If you're not sure they're tight enough, get them checked at your nearest Mazda dealership. Finally, remove the jack, pack away all the tools, place the damaged tyre in the boot, and only remove the warning triangle when you're safely ready to get back on the road. It's important to have your tyre repaired or replaced as soon as possible, as a spare wheel is only for temporary use and should not be driven at speeds above 80 km/h. Double check that everything is secure, and you're ready to drive. For any assistance while under our 5-year unlimited kilometres service and warranty plan, don't hesitate to contact Mazda's Roadside Assistance at 0861 349 222. Drive with confidence. Mazda's got you covered.